Welcome back, guys. Today is day 2 in Maui, and we are still feeling the jet lag. It's a 3-hour time difference, and it's still really early here. But we're both wide awake, so I'm gonna go for a run and see if I can catch the sunrise. And Kara's gonna do something. Maybe go back to bed. We'll see. So, let's go see if I can catch the sunrise.
Alright, so we are day 2, and today we are going parasailing for the first time.
Should be a good time. We're doing like the 1,200 foot, I think.
Yes.
Yeah. I've had the opportunity previously to go parasailing, but just didn't feel right about it in Puerto Vallarta when they're doing it behind an old fishing boat, and it just did not look too safe. So this is going to be a lot safer.
Yes.
And should be a good way to, see the island and everything out around it, and I don't know, have a fun experience. Yeah. Our hotel was able to comp it as long as we go sit in their little timeshare presentation, one of those things. I figured we're sitting through that for an hour to get this done for free. So, yeah, we'll see how it is.
See how it goes. You're splashing me!
Sorry.
You're splashing me! Alright, so we survived.
Yeah.
And it was really cool.
Yeah, it was amazing. The water is so blue, and hopefully the GoPro footage works. It was kind of hard to adjust angles and things like that, but you can take our word for it. It was really worth it.
It was really cool. You
yeah.
know, you get to see a lot of, I guess, the island and the coastline, and
they gave us a little dip.
Yeah.
So, yeah. If you get out here and have a chance and, want to spend the money on it, it's worth it. Going out and having a good time. So, we spied frozen yogurt and gelato. So, we're going to split up. Kara's going to grab a frozen yogurt and I'm going to grab a gelato and make our way back to the hotel. Yeah. as always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all those sort of things. We do appreciate it. If you've ever been to Maui, comment below on what you did when you were here. So maybe when we come back, we'll have some more to do. So, all right, appreciate it, and thanks for watching.
Thanks.